core of the project is 3 new buildings, a new administration building, new learning areas, and a specialist learning building, as well as retaining 2 existing buildings. It was really fun working on this project because you get to put yourself back how you were as a child and just think, what sort of space would I like to be in when I'm learning at school? And working with the school, we put a lot of those spaces in. Lower windows, nooks, different acoustics in different spaces. Views, trees, hopscotch, paddle tennis, foursquare, all within a quadrangle. Another great feature is the focus on the kitchen garden, which is in the center of the quadrangle. There'll be an outdoor cooking facility, as well as outdoor sinks and a bench at different heights. And then that opens out onto the school's greatest asset, which is its large open space play areas.
Every time I walk through the building and see it starting to come to life, I get extremely excited. It's hard to sort of pick your favourite room because every room that's being built is a room that I would love to teach in and I would love to have students learn in. We're very excited for the buildings that are coming, facilities and rooms that will help us to provide a curriculum that we weren't able to provide in our previous buildings, such as kitchen garden, canteen, music room, art room. It gives us an opportunity to show our school community that we value their education.
The whole idea of actually getting new buildings that were actually designed to teach in the 21st century was so exciting. It's going to really make a huge difference. It's a neighbourhood going through a lot of change, and having a really nice, well-designed school here will be a gigantic boon to the local community. I know they're really excited.